upload. I tell about my lead code program. I studied 3 days. First of all, I tell about anything software. Anything software are also called node musician or editor. It is used for workflow and application integration. And editor will create a trigger form and agent. First of all, I know about some software and Python. It's like AI tools. They will teach some AI agent to work at anything program. Mr. Arjun sir is a salesperson and marketing person. He taught some ideas how to develop a workflow in anything. For my better development to program, I refer some AI tools like Gemini, ChatGPT, etc. At the last day, they were asked some questions about my project English literature. It was some 3 or more group only attended the indicated.
We started with the initial stage. They are given assigned with a case, so they have to understand the problem and they have to find out how it can be solved. They are not going to implement the exact programming code. They want to know about how the workflow is. Initial stage what they have to do, in the process stage what they have to do, at the final output what they will get after completing all the process. So each and every programming language helps how to solve the problem. But the logical thinking of the problem is not going to be solved by any programming language. That it was done only by the tool. Each and everybody has their own creativity. That's why the workflow is given for individual who is having a better ideology to solve it in a short period of time, that is short span of time. Once the job is assigned for each and everybody in the team, they have to work individually. Finally only they are going to assemble it. The front end part will be designed by somebody else, the process part will be designed by somebody else, and the output coding, the output screen, how it has to be, that will be designed by somebody else. All these 3 will get pulled after completing each and everybody's task, then it is going to become a project. They have initially started with what is the project and how they have to do the project with the help of the programming paper what they are learning about. But we have the basic programming language, but they have tried to implement the greatest programming language of Python, but they are only in the initial stage, they doesn't know about what is Python is. So they have started from the scratch how you have to pursue the problem. Modala problem na enna, the problem eppadi perceive pannidno, adukku eppadi solution kandupidikkano, then only you can implement in the programming language. Any of the programming language, not only in C, C++, இப்ப இருக்கிற programming language what we are learning is a basic programming language. But so many programming language as a compiled programming language, we have only tools. And the tools are used for how we are going to implement. That's they are learning. So give a great applause to him. Thank you.
We understood what Sugan have told us, and in NIT, by NIT we can do a lot of programs and activities. So with the help of Sugan, we all our class members can continue the projects and we can do different projects also. Thank you.
Good evening all. இன்னைக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சுகன் வந்து எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஏஐ டூல்ஸ் வச்சு என்னென்ன பண்ணலாம் கற்றுக்கிட்டோம். இப்போ கோடிங் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இப்போ க்ரியேட் பண்ணவே தேவையில்ல, ஏஐ டூல்ஸ் மூலமாக கிடைக்குது. அதனால் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சு. அடுத்த வாட்டி நாங்கள் சொல்லி கொடுத்த வச்சு நாங்கள் நிறையா தேங்க்யூ.
Thank you for the reviews. Among you can able to understand how the workflow and the coding of AI helps to develop your project. Hope so Jerson and Alina gives a brief about the discussion what we had now. Hope we have to thank to the Susan. He is the only person who is leading to the lead code. He is going to develop the programming coding among the AI tools. So once again, I thank all for you for time cooperation for this. Thank you.